What's up, hot dog wrestling fans? Hampshire college food review, buffalo style wrap, and caprese on a focaccia roll. Oh, wow. Grilled buffalo chicken, a slice of like blue cheese, and then like a tomato basil wrap or something. The buffalo chicken wrap was pretty good. I would give it a 5 out of 10, and it's pretty average. I would eat it again. And next is the caprese on a focaccia roll. That sandwich was really good. I would give that a 7 out of 10. It tastes really like fresh, and I love like a thick piece of mozzarella. You know, I've eaten it before, I would eat it again. For dessert, I'm gonna eat one of these. I love these from Aldi, the 70-calorie fiber brownies. Fiber is super viral.
What is wrong with you?
New recipes daily. Thanks for watching.